Nice.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is part 2 of getting this thing going. I'm scrapping the Very drive and I'm going to put a real axle in it. A geared one, and then I'll be able to drive it. Stick around, star wait. Alright, first thing, we're going to strip this down a bit. Okay, got it all apart. Pretty sure I gotta clean all this grease and stuff out. Okay, I think it's time to weld the diff. I've got the thing welded. I probably could have welded that one. Put it back together. Okay, I'm covered in grease. Everything's covered in grease. Diff's welded. It spins everything. Everything moved. Everything's in the right way to put the thing on, I think. Yeah. Alrighty, it's all back together. This is neutral. Let's just spin that. And I put it at 6. And it starts working hard. Heck yeah. I got a couple brackets. Drill some holes in these. And figure out the shifter. Okay, so I have the shifter linkage all worked up. I'm gonna try and make it fit through my old hole. Was I not even recording? This grenaded, getting steel everywhere inside here and all the grease and everywhere, so I had to clean it out as best I could. I'm re-welding this. And I'm going to take this little squares and shove them in there. Oh, that was a second ago. First take that I forgot to record. Anyway, it's gonna sit in there. Nice. Yeah, and then I'm going to weld that. Let's weld this together. Okay, let's go put it back in. so this is it after a month or so. These are my gears. I got neutral, 1, 2, 3. It's my e-brake, my parking brake, my gears also. You can see in the video, you can see in the earlier video, I had like a weird linkage that came over here and there was all this stuff. Now I just tied it straight into the linkage, so when I gear, it stays there. This is my holder upper thinger. Yeah, that's what he's like. This is my battery box.